Here are the top 4 most devastating earthquakes in the world. Which of these quakes shocked you the most? Comment below and hit that like and subscribe right now for 7 days of super luck. Number 4. Japan, 2011 quake. A 9.0 magnitude quake triggered a massive tsunami, wiping out entire towns and causing the Fukushima nuclear disaster. Number 3. Sumatra, Indonesia, 2004. This 9.1 quake caused a tsunami that struck 14 countries, killing over 230,000 people. Number 2. Haiti, 2010. A 7.0 magnitude quake destroyed Port-au-Prince, leaving over 1.5 million people homeless. Number 1. Chile, 1960. The strongest earthquake ever recorded, magnitude 9.5.